Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about diagnosing car issues like a pro, today's review is just for you. We're diving into the Launch Touch Pro Elite OBD2 scanner, a powerful, tablet-style diagnostic tool built for advanced users, mechanics, and car enthusiasts alike. Let's get into it. Launch Scanner for Car is equipped with 5-inch LCD touchscreen. A bigger, brighter screen let you deep dive into tons of live data PIDs. 6,100 mAh built-in rechargeable battery, longer battery life, longer running and standby time, and 32 GB storage capacity. Driven by 4-core 1.5 GHz processor, Android OS 7.0, to let you diagnose vehicles successfully in seconds. Launch Touch Pro Elite OBD2 scanner add more functions. No extra software fee with the same cost. Add new 20 resets full system diagnoses. 2 years free Wi-Fi update. Launch CRP Touch Pro Scan Tool, built with large 5-inch Touch HD screen. This launch scan tool features 20 reset functions: SAS, EPB, BMS reset, throttle adaptation and ABS bleeding, TPMS reset, IMM0, injector coating, BMS, DPF regeneration, AC reset, type reset, seat reset, Volbeat, YNGPBM, GPF reset, EGR reset, etc. To pinpoint the issue by reading codes, real-time live data, and ECU info, to resolve the problem by clearing codes. It works on 45+ mainstream car brands and 10,000+ car models. Launch will weekly update the vehicle software list. This launch scan tool can save the historical diagnostic report, record and replay the data flow for better analysis. Real-time battery voltage graphing helps to judge the state of the battery. One-click Wi-Fi update without IP limited. Built-in DDC lookup library finds the related code definitions. Diagnostic feedback gets the professional guidance from Launch based on the cloud server. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: full system diagnostics, 5 inches HD 720p touchscreen with Android OS, 20+ service functions for advanced maintenance, fast updates, and reliable tech support from Launch. And cons: some advanced functions may be brand-specific, subscription required for updates after 1 year. You're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer who works on a variety of cars and wants full control over diagnostics. The Launch Touch Pro Elite delivers serious value for its price. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what scanner you're using and if the Touch Pro Elite is worth the upgrade for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tool review. Thanks for watching. See you next time.